Got him. Yeah, little dude. Little bass. There he is. Oh. It's a little guy. Yeah, it's half a pound.
Yeah, see, those are perfect when you want to eat.
Mm-hmm.
Bass, those are perfect. That's a female too.
Yeah.
Belly on it.
Little belly.
Yeah, that one that I caught, I checked the eggs first when I got it home.
Mm-hmm.
Had 2 sacks of eggs, but they were very small. They weren't close enough. She wasn't even ready to spawn yet.
Mm.
So I think those other ones are early spawners.
Yeah. There she goes. Foot. All right, she's gonna go back. Yeah. Yep. Wait for the big boy. Yeah, got him. Yeah. Oh, shit. No, it was right here. Okay. Yeah. Now, I gotta hoist him up now. This is where the heavy rods come in really handy. Yeah. Okay. Woo. Yeah, she's full of eggs. Okay, baby. Oh, she's full of eggs. Got him. Got him. There he is. Yeah. No, I got him. Okay, come on, baby. You can do it. Yes. Pretty good one. About 1.5 pounds. Yep. Take another photo, Len. Actually.
The question is, do you have any senkos left?
Yes. Hold on. Exact same hook set where I got the other one. There he is. Nice. Don't get hung up. He's still down there. Yeah. What pound test? What pound test you got on? Okay, I might have to go down and get it. Well. Yeah. Nice. Full of eggs too.
Yeah.
It's definitely a spawner. You want a photo?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, look at that belly. Full of eggs. Okay. Insurance. 1, 2, 3. Sweet. Yeah. Really
This might
nice.
be the one you put back. Look at the. No, this one's got marks on this side.
Yeah, I don't think he will bite again. He's got a pretty sore mouth. Nope, different. There she goes. Pretty close. Sweet, not skunked. Got him. Probably the same one. Nope, a little bit bigger. Yeah. There he is. He's about 3/4 of a pound. Little largemouth. Looks like got some eggs in her. Look, it was a little bit bigger than the first one, I think. I thought it was the same fish. Let's see. I don't know.
The hook went straight through.
Yeah. When I set the hook, man, I don't hold back.
Well, that's the way I am. That's why on this I fall off the boat almost.
Nice one. Oh, got him. Yeah. Yeah, he's a little bit bigger. Oh, come on, baby. Get up here. Oh, there he is. Yeah, it's about a 2-pounder. It's that same spot where I caught that big one years ago. Must be his son. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's about, pound and a half. There he is. Gonna let her go.